One interface. 5 real functions that each need a slightly different shape of it. 0 duplicated interfaces. That's what utility types are for. The base type. Everything in this video derives from one single source of truth, a user interface. Nothing else gets typed by hand again after this. Interface user, ID, number, name, string, email, string. Function 1, partial T for update user. An update only needs to send the fields that changed, not the whole user. Partial makes every property on user optional, so callers can pass just one field. Function update user, ID, number, changes partial user. Return db update users, ID changes. Update user 1 name new name. Check. Email and ID untouched. Highlight. Hovering changes in the editor shows every field is optional. Function 2. Omit tk for createUser. A createUser form never has an ID yet. The database generates it. Omit builds a new type from user with that one field removed. Type new user. Omit user ID. Function createUser. Data new user. Return db insert users, ID next id, data. CreateUser named Sarah, email s@x.com. No ID required. CreateUser ID 5, named Sarah, email s@x.com. Check, ID not allowed here. Function 3, pick tk for renderPreview. A preview card only ever renders ID and name, never the email. Pick builds that smaller shape directly from user, so the two types can never drift apart. Type user preview, pick user ID, name. Function renderPreview, user preview, return # user ID, ax username. RenderPreview, ID 1 named Sarah. Check, email not needed, not allowed. Function 4, readonly T for a frozen config. The currently logged in user shouldn't be mutated from just anywhere in the app. Readonly locks every property so any reassignment is caught at right time. Const current user, readonly user, ID 1 named Sarah, email s@x.com. Current username is hacked. Check. Error, read-only property. Function 5, record kt for a cache. A lookup cache needs a fixed key type and a fixed value type. Record builds exactly that object shape in one line. Const cache record number user equals. Cache 1, ID 1, name Sarah, email s@x.com. Function get from cache, ID number, user or undefined. Return cache ID. Stacking them together, these aren't mutually exclusive. You'll combine them constantly. A real update payload is usually a partial wrapped around an omit. Every field optional, and ID never included. Type update payload equals partial omit user ID. Function update user, ID number changes update payload. Return db update users, ID changes. Common mistake. Copy pasting user into user preview, new user, and update payload by hand instead of deriving them. The moment user gains a new required field, all 3 handwritten copies silently drift out of sync. Utility types can't drift because they're never copies, just views onto the same source. Not fragile, a hand-copied duplicate interface user preview, ID number, name string. True derived, always matches user automatically. Type user preview equals pick user, ID, name.